So today I'm going to be showing you the Logitech HD 1080p camera. This is a web camera. It's very light to hold and it's very easy to install. It's a simple plug-in camera with good lens and good visual, and it has like this speaker thing on the side of it, and on the other side it also has a clip-in section. So right here you can clip it in to the top of your computer, and you can also put it on a tripod. So it does have a tripod area right over there. So I'm going to clip it onto my computer and show you how I use it. So right here, just put it on top of your computer like this, and it sits on top of the computer very well, and it comes with quite a long cord. The cord is a USB cord. It's quite long. Right over there, that's the USB cord, and we're just gonna plug it right in there. So once you plug it in, it is recognized over there, and it's time for you to set it up. This is the HD Pro Webcam by Logitech C920. Once it has been set up automatically, I didn't have to do anything. My computer automatically recognizes it. I can click on it and it shows that it's ready to go. So of course in my directory I can see that I have Logitech right there. When I click on it, I do have the caption option for it. So when I click on that, so when it comes up, you can see that it's coming up right here on the computer and it's starting to get activated. So it says your camera is not yet available. We detect that it has been disconnected, so you just have to install it. If there's any new installation, you can install it. So it has a way of remembering if there's a new update or not. The Logitech will let you know, and it will automatically install any new updates. Once it has installed, you'll be able to see it right there. So that's me waving at you guys, and I'm going to move the camera so you can see it's very clear. The visibility is very clear. This 1020, the clarity it's wonderful. So even if I move it, so you can use this for a zoom. So you'll be able to use this in Zoom and in any other way. You can also use the app to zoom in. So if you want to zoom, you can use the app to zoom out and zoom in if you want to. You can also use it to do autofocus so that it focuses. You can also do other things in the app, Chrome setting, and like for green sheet and everything. You can set up 2 camera displays. So here you have 2 camera displays where I'm using the camera and I'm using it on my desktop. You can see my desktop showing, and I can also use the source as the main camera. So this is my review. I hope you guys enjoy it, and this is the Logitech C920 webcam.